Carrie.
And it's Sydney, and this is your cocktail of the week.
And we're doing one for the 4th of July.
Yay!
It's not red, white, and blue though. I'm calling it the red, black, and blue. Because I'm using blackberries. So I've got 3 blackberries and a handful of blueberries in my muddler. And I'm just gonna take my frustrations out on this fruit for a minute. Just get those nice and muddled up in there.
Yum.
I know, this is gonna be
Always makes everything
super
taste so
yummy.
good.
Very fresh, very great for the summertime. And we're gonna be using the Laughing Glass pomegranate margarita. And I'm gonna add 5 ounces of the pomegranate right into that great berry mixture.
Yum.
And 1 ounce, for a little bit of sweetness, 1 ounce of blueberry vodka.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it just kind of needs, those fresh berries sometimes are, you know, they're a little bit berryish.
It's always good to add a little vodka to everything anyways, right?
Just needs a little bit.
Fine.
Yes, I gave that a little stir, and then we're gonna double strain this because the blackberries are really, they are just crazy impossible. So get one of your power strainers, and we're gonna strain this right over ice.
Yum.
Oh, it's gonna be like, it's gonna taste good for you.
I know, like healthy, right?
Yeah, it really is. And you can see it's even having a hard time getting out of the strainer because we really have a lot of great berries in there.
Exactly, so yummy.
Great.
Oh,
Ooh,
it's
that looks
beautiful.
nice. And then I have a little garnish just with some blackberries and a blueberry.
Yum.
Put right in there.
I love
And there it is. The red, black, and blue. How is that?
This is
Oh my
Oh,
god.
I love this one.
It's so perfect for summer.
Yeah, we're drinking this one.
Have an excellent 4th of July, everybody. Cheers.
Cheers.